which is mixed fruit oat porridge. It's so simple and you can just make it in your room and just found something that you can put in the porridge. So if you want to know this recipe, just watch till the end.
Before we start doing our mixed fruit oat porridge, of course we need to prepare the ingredients first, such as milk, apple, banana, raisin and nuts, and the most important ingredient, of course, we need oats. Now we're going to step of the recipe. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Step 1. First of all, I wash and clean the apples before cut it into a small pieces. But it depends on you how you want to cut it. Maybe you want cut it into something that you like. Same as the apple, you need to cut the banana into a small pieces. But you need to be careful while using a knife so you will not be injured. For step 2, I heat up the milk first until it become warm. If you don't have any milk, you also can replace it with a warm water. And then I just mix the milk and oat together. And I swirl it until it becomes thick and nicely mixed. Of course, the most important part is decoration time. Okay, for the decoration, you can decorate sweet to yourself, but make sure to decorate it nicely so it look more appetizing and pretty. For someone that likes something sweet, you also can drizzle some honey or chocolate on top of it. Yay! Now we are done with our mixed fruit oat porridge.
Okay, now this is the final result from the recipe. I hope you learned something from this video and now you can try it yourself. That's all from me. Bye bye.